Our review before our chapter 9, quiz 4. So this question, there's 60 crayons in a box. You choose 4 of them, of which one is red, one is green, 2 are orange. So what would you expect? How many of the other crayons are orange? Skylar, how did you set this one up? 2 over. From where did the 4 come from?
The 2 came from, like, because there's 2 orange.
Okay, there's 2.
And the 4 came from because the big 4 out of box.
4 chosen. Okay, that makes sense to me.
I did x over 60.
X over 60. Where did 60 come from?
The box of crayons.
Thank you so much. So 60 came from the total box of crayons.
And then I multiplied and divided and got 30.
Okay, so 2 times 60 divided by 4. 30 orange. Right. How many of you got the same thing? Did you get the same thing? Okay, those of you who are like, I'm not sure how to do this one, does this make sense now?
Yeah.
This over this, this over this. Now, on this one, do you need to worry about fraction decimal percent? No, just get a final answer. 30 orange. What if you don't put orange? Are we going to mark you wrong? I'll just put 30 and we'll be okay. That's a ridiculous crayon box. Do you agree? Take it back. Get your money back. Get more crayon colors. Question, Corbin? Yeah, but be careful because maybe on the quiz, be careful with this because maybe it will be like 5 crayons on the quiz. Just pay attention to how many they pulled out. Okay, what about 1? Try this one. This one is a fraction decimal percent. All right, Camille, talk us through this one. What did you do on this one?
Okay, so there's, can I ask how many, we're going to choose 2 socks with probability both socks are white.
Okay, both socks are white, so right here. Okay,
So I added them all up to 10 socks total. So
10 total socks. Okay,
So I put 7 over 10.
7 over 10. Where'd you get the 7 from?
Because that's how many white socks there are.
Okay, 7 white socks. 10 total. Keep going. You're doing great.
So then I just divided 7 by 10 and added 0.7 and got 70%.
I think we want one more fraction. Because like you said before, we need to choose 2 socks. So the first socks you pull out of your drawer, you have 7 out of 10 chances. So the second sock out of the drawer, Camille, how many chances do we have now? You're hopefully pulling a white sock out, right? So do we still have 7 white socks in there? We have 6 in there, so now we have 6 white left. Okay, and then you've taken the socks out, right? You're going to choose 2 socks. So yep, another one is taken out. So guys, do we have 10 total anymore? So now we have 9 total. Cool, does that make sense? All right, now we can do top times top, bottom times bottom. How many of you did this? Did you do this setup? Sweet, good job. This 6, because we've taken a white sock out. So there's 7 white socks. We're hoping for a white on the first draw. And then we're hoping for a white on the second draw. So it's a white and a white. Oh, I see. So Skylar's question is, wouldn't it be 5 out of 8? Think of it 1 sock at a time. First sock, here's my chances. Second sock, here's my chances. And then we put it together by timesing it. Yeah? Because you've got this. What's 7 times 6? What's 10 times 9? All right. Has anybody yet simplified this? Or 2 out of 90? Maddie, what'd you get? Or 7 out of 15. Okay, 7 divided by 15. Cecily, what'd you get? 0.46. Because what percent is that? 46%. Did you not get 0.46 though? Max? Oh, thank you for being careful. You're going to get zinged on the quiz, right? If you're not being careful about rounding. So 47%. So all 3, oh, you can have this one too. All of that together, 3 points. Any questions on the sock? How are you feeling pretty okay about that? Feeling okay? Think of it 1 sock at a time, 1 sock at a time, multiply it. Okay, what about? Okay, are you ready? Heads up, guys, there's a question like this. On the quiz, of course, that's why we're reviewing it. This question is worth, are you ready? 6 points. 6 points. How much is it worth? Whew, why? Because you have to do theoretical probability, that's 3 points. Experimental probability, that's 3 points. So let's do theoretical probability first. Theoretical probability. So theoretical probability, flipping a coin. What are the chances of flipping a heads? You can shout it out. Okay, so there's a point. So the fraction is 1/2. There's a point. What's the decimal for a half? Okay, decimal, 0.5. There's a point. And then last one, percent, 50%. There's your first 3 points. You should be fine with those 3 points. You can rack those up. But now here comes the experimental probability. Betty, did you have a question on that?
Well, I put 45 over 70 because 45 is half of 70, so I get 1.
Oh, no. Did you guys hear Maddie's? She said for theoretical, she put 35 out of 70. Is 35 out of 70 still a half? No, I'm glad you said that though. That's a good heads up. That would totally work too. Because it will still get the same decimal, still same percent. Yeah? Okay, experimental probability. How many times did they flip a head? So there's our fraction. 40 over 70, or I will totally take 4 out of 7 if you simplify it. 0.57 Gage? Do you guys agree with Gage? Yeah. 0.57, there's another point for the decimal. 57%. Do you see the 6 points? Okay, was it too bad though? Are you okay with that? Now, how did we do? Experimental probability, theoretical probability. Were we too high, too low, pretty close? We're pretty close. We're a little bit high, right? Okay, perfect. Okay, put your name on it, first and last name, period. Okay, just take a picture of the answer side. Okay, numbers 8, 9, and 10 need fraction, decimal, percent. So right now, so you don't forget, let's put fraction, decimal, percent answer on 8, 9, and 10. Okay, when the pico rises, shoulder. 11 is the crown problem, so that's just one answer. Okay, 12. The pico engages shoulder. That one asks for, oh, the socks. So that's a fraction decimal percent. Okay, are you ready for number 13? Number 13 is a 6-point question. So however you want to remind yourself, I'm going to put T probability. What do you think the T stands for? All right, theoretical probability, you need fraction, decimal, and percent. Feel free to go into number 14, and then I'm going to put E probability. What does the E stand for? Experimental. Don't forget to do fraction, decimal, percent. Feel free to go into number 14 because do not do number 14. It doesn't make any sense. So scribble out number 14. Maybe over on the question side, scribble out 14 too so you don't forget. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, good luck.